Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a vlog style for you, which is going to be a moving vlog because today is the big day. I move into my first place all by myself. So right now I'm getting ready to go pick up the moving truck and we're going to get to it. So follow me along in this journey and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm here getting the giant U-Haul truck, as you can see. Obviously I don't have it sponsored, but here we go. I'm about to get in this bad boy. This is going to be what is moving all of my belongings. So let's get inside. Oh gosh. Okay. I have to go in here. I'm not driving it to my place, but I'll drive it for now. And they said that I didn't have to like turn it in until tomorrow. So that's kind of cool. Okay. But we're here. This one honestly kind of looks dirty, but it's gonna get the job done. So I'm gonna head home, get everything that I need. Where's the thing? Start getting all my stuff. Everybody is here to help me. So yeah, here we go. Let's go. We're moving. First place by myself. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. And see you guys soon. This truck is broken. Like, I just put it in drive to push the gas and I'm not going anywhere. My boyfriend's gonna come help me because I'm sitting here confused. So I just didn't push the gas hard enough. So he's looking at me like, girl. And I'm the one who told myself I want to drive. So I'm gonna head now. Now I'm moving. Bye. Okay, so I'm in my room, like my old room now. My childhood room since I was like in 6th grade. This is my friend Stephanie, who's been helping me. Oh. So then this is my room. It's all nice and empty. You can hear the echo. It's so weird how you can see. Wow, it's just looking really weird. But I'm gonna sit over here because this looks better. I'm not bringing my TV. I'm leaving this in here. My mom's gonna turn it into her studio and everything like that. But we've been working, moving, and I'll show you guys the truck a little bit on how we're packed. We're almost done. We've been doing this for like an hour and a half, 2 hours, because I still had a little bit more stuff to pack. But we're here now, we're doing it, and it's kind of sad a little bit. I'm happy to be on my own, but I'm also sad to be leaving my family. So good thing I won't be too far away. But hope you're enjoying the moving vlog. It's hot outside, I'm sweating, and I'm just thankful for everybody who was helping me with this move because I had a lot of stuff. I didn't realize how much stuff I had until I have to move it all and find out where I'm gonna put it. So we'll see how that goes. I'm definitely gonna have to donate a lot more stuff than I already did. And that's about it. So I will see you guys probably when we're getting in the truck, getting ready to leave. This is what the truck's looking like. Looks kind of messy, but hey, I had so many clothes that were like on a rack, so we just kind of put the rack on there. I'm gonna re-put hangers on them because I want different hangers. My memory foam mattress is here. My mattress itself, I'm only bringing this bed for now until my bed from Macy's comes, and this is just everything that I have. It's so much stuff. There's a lot more boxes there in the back, and I just really need to unpack everything. I'm already kind of freaking out a little bit. But here we go. Okay, so my hair looks crazy, and keep going straight. And we're on our way to eat because I realized I had to feed all my workers, and everybody was hungry, saying that they were going on strike. So we're now on our way to eat at a breakfast brunch place real quick, and then we're gonna move all of the stuff from my home to my new place that I'm gonna live. So we're gonna eat there, and then I'll keep you guys updated after that. Here's my food. I remember hearing about that. Here's my friend's food. Your food? Your food? Mm-hmm. So we made it, and my best friend and my mom are looking at the place, and so far they really like it, which is cool. We just have to go through, make sure everything looks good, and then because I want to do like the incident form before I move in, so no one thinks that I did anything wrong. Yeah, so we're gonna take pictures. And there's just a little mark on the floor, and I'm pumped. Like, everybody likes it, so we're starting moving stuff in. I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'm currently in the bathroom just because my mom's on the phone. But my boyfriend and my mom's boyfriend, my hair looks crazy, but this is what happens when you're moving. This is real raw and all that type of stuff. But we're waiting for my mom's boyfriend and my boyfriend who's bringing the U-Haul. We came just a little early just to look at the place and to bring like little breakable stuff.
So Lindy said, Mama, I hope that wasn't common because her and Darren
Okay, I'm back. So the U-Haul is here. They made it. There was an accident on the way, but they made it, and now we're just gonna unpack everything and just put most of it in the living room, and then yeah, I'll figure out what to do with it after. But it is like 4 o'clock, so we gotta get going before it gets super dark because we have a lot to do. We have finished all of the stuff, and all the stuff is finally inside. So we're done. Here's my mom. Here's a lot of my stuff. I have a couple days off of work, so I'm just gonna get all of this done. All my stuff. We have some stuff here. And then we just brought my bed from home, which right now this looks real raggedy, but this is the best memory foam ever. So I brought my bed from home until my gray bed comes in, and we just got all my blankets all over the floor. I just have to make up my bed, but that's what we're doing for now. And then here goes all of my clothes. I have to organize it. It is not going to stay like this. But this is going to be the end of the moving vlog today. I think I may go to Target or something a little bit later just to grab some stuff. And I'll show you guys that tomorrow on the moving day vlog part 2. So we're just making sure everything is out of the U-Haul. We're closing it up, and then we're going to take the U-Haul back to the place. I thought it was worth the money. It was great. We also unhooked the dolly that was in the little U-Haul thing for $7. Like, I swear that saved us like 50% of the time or something like that. So we definitely use the dollies for a lot of my boxes and things like that. We're just going to check the apartment, make sure everything's cool, and then we're going to bring this bad boy back. So we have finished moving everything in. I showed you a little bit of what we've done, but this is the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the chaos and me going back and forth, my hair looking crazy. That's just how it is when it comes to moving. I'm super excited to move into my first place, and stay on the lookout for more moving vlogs. I'm gonna show you decor vlogs, me trying to put everything together. Tonight I'm probably gonna run to like Target or the grocery store just so I can have some things in my place so I don't starve to death. And I just need like toilet paper, paper towel, dishwashing liquid, laundry detergent, stuff like that. So I'll show you guys my haul tomorrow on moving vlog day 2, or eventually I'll show you. It's gonna come out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for more moving vlogs. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, beautiful.